Hello students, today we are going to see about abstract classes in Python. Before we start about abstract classes, we should know about abstract method. So what is an abstract method is you have the name of the method but you do not have any implementation. Then that means you don't have the body for the method. No lines are written inside the body of a method, but you have the name of the method. Then you say such methods as abstract method. Any class that contain at least one single abstract method is known as abstract class. But in Python, by default, you do not have any concept known as abstract classes. But if you want to implement abstract classes, we have to use a module known as ABC. From this module, we have to import a class known as ABC, which is known as abstract base class. So a class that contains one or more abstract methods is known as abstract class. Next, abstract classes are not instantiated, so no need of creating objects for this abstract classes. But the classes that are derived from the abstract classes should provide the implementation of the abstract methods. That means the classes that are derived from these abstract classes, these subclasses should write the body for the abstract method that is present in abstract base class. Now, by defining an abstract base class, common API can be defined for a set of subclasses. How do you make a method an abstract method is we have to use a decorator, which is written like this by using @abstract method. So if you write this decorator above the function name, then we say such method as abstract method. Suppose if a class contains more than one abstract method, then what we have to do is any child class that implements this base class, which is having more than one abstract method, the child class should write the body for all the abstract methods that are present in the parent class. Then only we say that implementation is complete. Next, these are the general ways of using abstract base class in Python. So these are two ways of using abstract base class. We know small ABC is a module and capital ABC is a class. Now whatever class we are going to write, we have to write derived from this capital ABC. Instead of capital ABC, we can use another abstract base class which is known as ABC meta. We can use any one of these ways for implementing abstract base class in Python. This concept we are going to see using an example. Okay, this is a small example where we are going to see how to implement abstract base class in Python. So we have already seen that small ABC is a module. From this we are going to import an abstract base class, that is ABC. And I have to declare here an abstract method that I am going to use. Then next I am going to use a class which is known as vehicle. This vehicle is derived from ABC. And this class is going to have an abstract method. So we say this class is also an abstract class. What is the abstract method of this vehicle class is number of wheels. Now why we have to use a self, we have seen in the previous videos. And next is this keyword pass. Why we have to use pass also we have seen in the previous videos. So if you are not sure about the body, if you don't want to write the body of any method, then we can write pass here so that we can fill the lines of this method later. In such case only we have to use pass. And here we have used the decorator @abstract method. So number of wheels is an abstract method. Since vehicle class is going to contain one abstract method, we say this vehicle class is a abstract base class. Now we can see there are three classes that are derived from vehicle, that is bicycle, auto and car. How can we say this bicycle is derived from vehicle? Means bicycle within the brackets whatever class name I am going to write. So this is the parent class and this is the child class. So parent class is vehicle and child class is bicycle. So bicycle is a child class of vehicle. And here, since it is derived from vehicle, the abstract method of vehicle should be implemented by this. That means we have to write the body for number of wheels in bicycle. So I'm going to write a print statement where I'm going to write a message like bicycle have 2 wheels. The next class that is derived from vehicle is auto. Even auto is a child class of vehicle, so auto should implement or should write the body for number of wheels, which is an abstract method of vehicle. So here I'm going to again print some message with 3 wheels. Next I have another class as car, which is a child class of vehicle. Again the child class should implement the abstract method of vehicle. So I'm going to write here number of wheels and I'm going to write some body like car have 4 wheels. After implementing the abstract method of vehicle, now I am going to create the objects for the child classes. As we have seen in the theory, no need of creating object for abstract base class. So I am creating a object for bicycle as B, and by using that object I am going to access number of wheels. Similarly, I am going to create object for the class auto as A and access number of wheels like this. So this is how I am going to write object name dot the method name that I want to access. Next, for car I am going to create the object as C and then I am going to access the method number of wheels. Now when I run this code, I am going to get my output like this. For bicycle have 2 wheels, auto have 3 wheels, car have 4 wheels. So this is how we are going to implement the abstract method in Python. Suppose if vehicle is having more than one, suppose it is having one more abstract method, then the 3 classes, that is bicycle, auto and car, should implement even that second abstract method of vehicle class. So how many abstract methods are present in the vehicle class? All those abstract method body should be written in the child classes of vehicle. So this is a concept and example with regard to abstract classes in Python. Thank you.